Hello friend, I teach you how to nest the fire. For example, you have choose one fire. How to nest it? How to nest? Press F3, F2. Press F3.
Okay. Nest.
Press F3 nest. Okay, you can choose this. For example, here we choose 2, and then next we choose 3. Okay, press enter. Okay, we will cutting like this. And please F6 edit. Save to machine. Save to system. Press F7. Save the file. F7. Okay. Okay. We can cut it now. Move the torch. Torch down. Okay. Okay. Enter.